morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 from our active English reader book. Chapter 1, the use of the word but. But is a word which is used to compare. Compare means to show the difference. But is also called magar in Hindi. In Hindi, when we use to compare things, we use the word magar. The same way in English, we are going to use the word but. Now let us see what is the meaning of this. But is a word used to compare. As I told you earlier, compare means to show the difference or show the difference between verbs. Now the first which we are going to learn to show the difference between verbs. Now verbs are also called doing words, which I had already taught you. Doing words like eating, running, drinking, walking, all these are doing words. So now let us see with an example. For example, Sita is running. Sita is running. But Ram is walking. So here we are seeing the difference between the two words, running and walking, and how we are knowing that they are doing different actions by the use of the word but. So let us see now with the examples of the words nouns. Now children, I had already taught you what are nouns. Let us once again revise. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Now let us see with opposites. In this chapter we are going to learn the use of the word but with opposites. So let us see the first example and understand in a better way. Look at the picture on the board. This is a tall tree. Look at this. This is a tall tree. Now we are using the word here tall, and tree is our noun. So this is a tall tree, but this is a short tree. Now see, we use the word here but to compare. Tall, short. So the opposite words that are compared here is tall and short. Now let us see the next example. This is a circle. This is a circle. But again we are using the word here but. This is a square. This is a square. So we can look at the difference. Circle, square. So it is different. Next example, look at the writing. How is this writing? This writing is good. How is this writing? Good. So here we are using the word good to describe the writing. And again we use the word but. This writing is bad. So now again we are comparing the writing. This is good, but this is bad. So here are the two opposite words, good and bad. Now the last example. This is a big ball. What kind of ball is this? Big ball. Now here we are using the opposite word, big. But again the comparing word, but. This is a small ball. So again the opposite of big is small. So we compared these two balls. Look at the size of that ball, big, and this ball is small. So children, we learned the use of the word but to compare. See, some of these examples are there. I have earlier taught you already opposite words. Go and revise that in your language copy. And once again, see these examples and understand and practice the use of the word but with opposite words. Thank you.